Here we go. Let me lift you up. We'll go right to the top. Let the sun come up. Together we can fly. All our hearts collide. Stay here by my side. I say we jump, we fly, we reach out to the sky. And it goes on and on and on and on and on. And we go on and on and on and on. And it goes on and on and on and on and on. And we go on and on and on and on. We're gonna fly high, be alive. Yeah, we're gonna fly high, be alive. We're gonna fly high, be alive.
Good morning, everybody! Kung meron po tayong mga paraan para na pwede nating matuklasan para mas maging healthy po tayo, gusto nyong malaman? Yes! Siyempre, Susan, we all want to be in perfect health, di ba? Di ba?
Alam mo, Susan, Ana, ang daming tumatawag sa atin because a lot of people are amazed at the stories that are being told here in our show.
Today po, ang pag-uusapan natin ay yung diabetes naman po. At ayon sa statistics ng Department of Health, diabetes is the 9th leading cause of death in the Philippines, affecting 1 out of 25 Filipinos. An estimated 3.36 million Filipinos are affected by the disease today. Isa na po ako doon. Kaya nga, Ana, will you choose life or tatanggapin na lang natin ang mga sakit natin? Through our show, we will show you that we can choose life over sickness. And there are natural ways to address even diabetes.
Yes, ang diabetes ay isang pangkaraniwang sakit. And yet, very serious po ito. Kasi maraming complications po dito sa diabetes.
Today, we have a story of an 8-year-old Dana Felizardo. Meron po siyang juvenile diabetes. We'd like to welcome her sa Be Alive!
My name is Dana Jemima.
We found out that she had diabetes when she was 5. She was diagnosed DM1. Medyo fatal na yung kanyang diabetes at that time, but we didn't know that she had diabetes. We just found out when we went to the hospital because of her pneumonia and it got worse. And then from that time, the diabetes came out. From then on, it had been hard for the family because she had to take insulin twice a day, 1 in the morning and 10 units in the evening. Since she had the diabetes, we have been monitoring her sugar. We've had less sleep in the night because we have to make sure that she's not hypo. One time, around 2 in the morning, we all woke up with a scream. We couldn't understand her. She's just like screaming as if she was like in a nightmare stage. And then we were trying to wake her up, but she couldn't wake up. And then we checked her sugar. It was really below. It was at 20. It was like fatal. We thought we're about to lose her because she's not waking up. And when the screaming stopped, she was like a vegetable already. We took up a glass of water, put some honey, and mix it. And we tried her to sip it. Even though she's having a hard time sipping it, we were able to manage doing it. And then we checked the sugar again. Eventually, the sugar came up. But it was like the worst 5 to 10 minutes of our life. We thought that we're gonna lose her at that point. About 3 months ago, we were introduced to Laminine. We were advised for her to take 2 caps a day. And since then, we were getting good blood sugar readings. When she used the Laminine, she started getting muscles. She was more alive, more focused even in her studies. We were getting less hypoglycemic stages, so that's the best part of it. My daughter has juvenile diabetes, and what scares us, eventually, when she gets older, her organs might deteriorate.
I'm already doing fine. I can concentrate now in school. I'm not fainting anymore, and I'm feeling good since Mommy gave me lemon.
When we come back, we will give you our doctors. Papaliwanag po nila sa atin ang sakit na diabetes.
Welcome, doctors. Today we have Dr. Lito Fruto, an integrative medicine, and of course, Dr. Ria Magalona, right?
Magalona, yes, from
And
Cotabato.
from Cotabato.
Yes, welcome to Be Alive. All right, Dr. Fruto, what is diabetes and why do so many people have it?
Diabetes is an abnormality in the function of the pancreas. It can be a type 1 or a type 2 diabetes, but to make it very clear, diabetes actually is 90% a lifestyle disease. When we say lifestyle disease, is that you acquire it because of the kind of lifestyle that you have, especially on the way you eat your food, the way you sleep, the way you do your activity on a daily basis.
Nakakamatay ho ba ang diabetes, doctor?
A lot of people die because of the complications of diabetes. One example, there are a lot of people having dialysis because of diabetic nephropathy.
Doctor, yun ho bang sabi nyo nakakamatay dahil sa complication? Yun bang diabetes na sakit mismo ang pumapatay o dahil nagkakaroon ng komplikasyon dahil sa mga gamot na binibigay dahil sa diabetes?
Actually, it's because of diabetes, but part of it because some patients who are in the long-term use of their hypoglycemic drugs, we cannot totally rule out that it will not affect the other organs. It's a long-term kind of disease.
Ano po ang mga symptoms na pwede natin, yung mga palatandaan na diabetic na pala ako?
Marami pong sintomas ang diabetes. The first thing is yung presence ng sugar level sa urine. Diba? Kaya nga sinasabi natin, mabuti pa yung langgam, alam na may diabetes yung tao hindi pa niya alam na may diabetes siya. Kasi pag umihi at hindi na i-flush po yan, makikita nyo nilalanggam yung pinag-ihian niya, the urine. And then of course, there are things na nanlalabo yung mata.
Yung iba naman po, dahil ihi ka ng ihi, lagi ka ring uhaw. Tapos, low ang energy mo. So, yun sa mga isang sintomas ng pwede mong isipin, baka nga meron na akong diabetes.
Madali kang mapagod.
Oo, alam mo, Doc, Susan, nung
Ikaw,
ako'y
Ana, di ba
diabetic kasi ako,
ka?
no?
Hindi madali kang mapagod, Ana.
Hindi na ngayon, naglalaminay na ako. Ano ba? Di ba? Pero actually, nung una, Susan, nalaman ko may diabetes ako, no? Pagod na pagod ako na nag-uusap tayong ganito. Maya-maya tinitignan na kita.
Talaga? Inaantok ka, ganon?
Actually, 680 ang sugar ko noon yung aking reading, no? Dinala ako sa ospital. Hindi ko pa nga alam na may sakit ako. Kumakanta-kanta pa ako nakasama nila Heber Bartolome. Pagbaba ko dun sa entablado, nasugatan na pala yung aking legs na ganyang kahaba na yung gas-gas, hindi ko na naramdaman. Wow. Kasi wala na akong pakiramdam, nagdanumb na ako Tapos tama yung sinabi ni doktor na inom ako na inom ng tubig. Parang gusto kong ikalong yung refrigerator, dalhin sa akin kung saan ako pumupunta. Oo, grabe talaga.
So, Dr. Fruto, how does Lamine help people with diabetes?
Ang maganda po sa Lamine is because it has a complete amino acid including, which is the most important po dyan, is yung lysine and the tryptophan. Because the tryptophan amino acid is the one that neutralizes or regulates the functionality of the pancreas and the gastric glands. Kaya po ngayon, pagka nag-laminin kayo, ang unang-unang nire-regulate ng tryptophan o ng laminin is the functionality of the pancreas, which is the ones that shoots up insulin into the bloodstream.
Susan, alam mo, Tita Maggie, yung sinasabi sa akin ni Dr. Fruto noon, kaya ako naglalaminayin kasi hope ko na dumating ang araw na yung pancreas ko ay mag-function ulit. Maari bang gawin ng laminin ito? Kasi pag diabetic ka, medyo patay na yung pancreas mo, di ba, Doc? Maari ba yun?
Ito po yung kagandahan. This is the reason why the product is so profound because it is a repair kit. It repairs the tissues, the cells, and eventually it repairs the organ. So, naiko-correct po in the long run, pagka marami nang naiinom, accumulated time, the tryptophan, the lysine amino acid, and the other amino acids such as the valine, the histidine, and the arginine will work together synergistically, and with the presence of the protoembryonic stage extract and the fibroblast growth factor, they work together in repairing the particular organ that is in question.
And Dr. Fruto, I understand in the process of repairing, it allows the pancreas to be able to produce insulin again. Is this correct?
Yes, Tita Maggie. Since Lamine, as we all know, aside from being an amino acid supplement, it has fibroblast growth factor. And we know that fibroblast growth factor enhances our stem cell. So, it's not impossible that later on, your pancreas could secrete the right insulin so that lahat ng mga asukal sa katawan natin, may-utilize mismo, magagamit ng tama ng katawan natin.
Kaya pala ang dami nating mga tawag, no? Yung mga diabetes sila dati, nagpapasalamat, sabi mo, umiiyak pa.
Oo, ang dami talagang naming tumatawag sa testimonials, no? Ako personally, no, I'm a legitimate diabetic, no? I'm so grateful for this. Actually, I put this to a test, yung Laminine, Susan, Tita Maggie. Sabi ko, tignan nga natin kung uubra ang Laminine. Sabi ko, kumain ako ng cake nung gabi, ganyan kalaki, oh. Tapos sabi ko, tignan nga natin, naglaminine ako 2. Kinabukasan ho, ang sugar ko, 95.
Wow! Okay. Panoorin niyo po ang VTR of Dr. Daniel Soria. Our doctors will be back right after our break. Be alive! Be alive!
I have diabetes and I have a high cholesterol. When I found that I have diabetes, I was thinking about my family. What will happen to them if something happened to me? My wife and I, we are both dentists. They say the limit of being a diabetes is around 10 to 15 years. And that's the time that they say that you're going to have the complications. Initially, I was taking oral medications. Once I become hypoglycemic, my sugar is so low that I tend to have chills. I shake. My friend introduced Laminine. Initially, when I saw the Laminine, I was thinking that just another product. Being a diabetic also, I had these holes in my hands. Both hands, they have loops, white spots here. You'll see some cuts. It's like my hands are being eaten by something. When I took the Laminine, it erased everything.
I'm also a doctor, wife of Dr. Daniel Soria, and we were monitoring his laboratory result, especially the glucose and the cholesterol and creatinine. Last year, when he's injecting insulin, I think that's 25-75 combination. His sugar was maintained in the level of 200 to 250, and after taking the Laminine, his laboratory result was declined into 156 without taking insulin. I love my husband, and I know now that he's going to live longer and enjoy our kids.
We're gonna fly high, be alive.
Welcome back!
Ano po yung pinakita sa VTR that the hands of Dr. Soria had holes?
Actually, Tita Maggie, yung kay Dr. Soria, kakaiba yun kasi ang karamihan ng may diabetes, kadalasan nakikita namin sa paa, sa talampakan, tinatawag namin diabetic foot ulcer. Pero sa kanya sa kamay, kakaiba ng klase because pag may diabetes ka po, yung blood flow doon sa area na mas malayo doon sa heart mo, kasi yun ang nagpo-provide ng nutrients, nabablock na siya. So, ang nangyayari doon, yung blood flow, since na-block na siya, yung nerves niya, na-damage na kasi hindi niya nasisense na meron injury or any stimuli na magkikreate ng wound. Later on, siguro napabayaan niya na magkakos ng infection. Ganon ang kadalasan. Ganon din yung sa diabetic foot ulcer.
So, Dr. Fruto, nakatulong yung Laminine doon?
Yeah, kasi po yung Laminine, the amino acid threonine and the methionine and the amino acid tryptophans work together to heal wounds faster. So that the balance of the metabolism is quite very effective na maski yung sa imbis na foot na wound ang maaayos, nauunang maayos yung dun sa pinaka-rare na parts of the body na naapektuhan ng diabetes.
So, importante po na lagi tayo nagpapacheck up at saka inoobserbahan natin ang katawan natin na kung yung may mga palatandaan na para hindi na maging grabe yung sakit natin o kaya malaman natin kung kailangan natin gawa ng paraan. No? So sa office, meron po tayong libreng Infinitus diagnostic check-up. And Dr. Fruto, kayo po yung isa sa mga doctors natin na nagbibigay yon. Pwede pong paki-explain sa mga televiewers natin kung ano po tong Infinitus na to.
The Infinitus Diagnostic Scanning is a combination of your MRI, 2D echo, 3D echo, ultrasound, CT scan, X-ray, all rolled into one. It is a diagnostic scanning. So ang ginagawa po niya, binabasa po niya ang kakulangan or karamihan ng amino acid natin sa katawan. Bakit po amino acid? Kasi po ang amino acid is the building block of the immune system. Dito po sa machine na to, pag niran natin yan, i-scan po ang entire body and then po malalaman natin kung ano yung present health condition ng tao at yung darating pa na health condition sa hinaharap dahil sa kakulangan ng amino acid.
How long does it take, doctor?
5 minutes.
5 minutes lang?
Oo, 5 minutes and we get...
Pero di ba yung the whole, 1 minute lang yun?
The whole scanning is 1 minute to a minute and a half.
Yeah.
With the interpretation, inaabot po tayo ng mga 5 minutes. Maganda
So, subukan
po.
natin.
Subukan po natin.
Subukan natin, Tita Maggie.
Okay.
Yan
Ako ang guinea pig.
Malalaman ko na ang iyong
Kaliwa.
sikreto.
Yan. So, ang ginagawa po ng machine ngayon is binabasa po niya, nag-i-scan po siya ng entire body. Mga 1 minuto po ito. And then, ilalabas natin yung kanyang report.
From head to toe, no?
Apo, from head to toe.
We offer free po sa ating mga televiewers, no? Basta sabihin nyo lang po na you have seen it sa show natin and then call the office and you can make an appointment.
Ayan, tapos na po. Tita Maggie, pwede nyo na po siyang bitawan.
60 seconds, no?
60 seconds yan, ano? And then we save the data. And then we're gonna get the report. Ibibigay po sa inyo ang report niyan. Babasahin ko ilang amino acid ang kulang. And then nandito na po yung findings kung ano yung mga problema from the cardiovascular to the cerebrovascular to the sexual function.
Makakatulong ba ang laminine sa sexual function?
Napakaganda po ng ginagawa niya. It's a taste of Viagra.
Oo, yan. Sasabihin na naman ni Miss Ana, ba't ko tinanong? Kasi ang mga diabetic ang naapektuhan ng sexual function.
Tama
Opo.
po, tama.
Di ba, Doc? Di
Yes,
ba?
yes.
Tama ba yun?
Di totoo yun, ha?
So, eto po, si Tita Maggie is 5 out of 5. 5 ang kanyang normal na amino acid and then 5 po yung mildly abnormal or moderately abnormal. Ibig po sabihin mataas yung amino acid content na yon.
Thank you, doctors. We really had given the audience a lot of information today, and I'm sure many will be seeing you for your diagnostic testing.
And that was exciting for me.
So, let's all roll over to Ana. Meron pa raw isa tayong testimonial.
Yes, Susan, meron ho tayong special tanong ngayon sa ating audience, no? Si Mr. Frank Abela. Pakikwento lang po, di ba ho, diabetic ko kayo for 15 years? Ano po naman ang naging magandang resulta nung naglaminain po kayo?
Ay gumanda po ang aking pakiramdam. Bumaba ang aking blood sugar.
Tapos so, naging sexual din po kayo?
Minsan po.
So Kuya Frank, ano po masasabi niyo dun sa mga tagapanood natin na gusto rin po sanang itry yung laminine na may diabetes?
Sana po subukan po nila na minom ng laminine. Para ang blood sugar nila ay bababa.
Palakpakan ho natin po.
I first found out that I have diabetes last 2009. I was wondering at nighttime, I have to drink at least 2 liters of water. And in the daytime, every time I see the light, why does it look violet? I was scared because my aunts and uncles have it and also my cousins. My FBS was 467. I was afraid that I'll be hospitalized because it was too high for my age. Since my daughter is a nurse, she's so afraid for me because she knows the effects on my body. Before I take the laminine, I had my laboratory to really find out if it will be okay for me. The greatest miracle of it was on the 3rd day, I can read without my glasses anymore. And after 2 weeks, I had my laboratory. My cholesterol was 315 and now it was 157. And wow, it's really great to see the result. My blood sugar also went down and I feel energized. I can sleep well. Before Lamine, I was always angry with my kids. I have low patience. I easily get irritated. But after taking Lamine, I feel I'm always happy. I've lost 12 pounds without effort. One night, my son told me, Mama, did you put on blush on at 10 in the night? Why should I put on blush on when I'm going to sleep? Ma, you have blush on. But then when I look at the mirror, I was blushing. She told me, Ma, you look younger. When I saw the mirror, it was really true. I thank Lamine for changing my life.
We're gonna fly high, be alive.
Be alive!
Be alive.
Be alive!
Be alive.
Be alive! Be alive!
Be alive. Be alive.
Be alive!
Be alive.
Be alive!
Be alive. Be alive. Be alive. Be alive. Be alive. Be alive.
Welcome back. We have a special guest today, General Aragon. Alam ko po na mayroon po kayong napakagandang experience sa Lamine, and I'd like you to share with our televiewers, Tell us first a little bit about yourself po.
Sinabi niya nga, General Aragon, retired Army officer. Since I came in dito sa Lamine, maraming magandang results ang nangyari sa buhay ko. I'm a person who cannot just easily be convinced,
Opo.
It is like a firearm. You're going to say a firearm is good if you have not fired it. So, when somebody introduced that to me, so, tinesting ko. The product is good.
In how many days po ninyo nalaman?
Oh, in 1 week time.
Wow.
1 week time. Alam mo, marami ako naramdaman nun. Actually, I cannot put my knee up. I have also my allergy.
Opo.
In my hands. Nagtutubig yan. And then, I have my back pain.
Opo.
And what is amazing here is, alam mo naman yung lalaki,
Opo.
yung libido na increase yan.
Yan ang bonus.
Good. It's really good. I like it because I have tested it.
Opo.
I have been conducting a research on what kind of organization I'm in now.
Opo.
So, sabi ko, maganda ito. May business plan ka palang maganda sa mga Laminers mo. And what is more important here is, maganda rin yung compensation plan nyo. Actually talaga, Susan, isinare ko ito, hindi lang sa mga kapwa ko, mga general, sa mga officers, line officers, at saka mga enlisted man.
So, ano po ang feedback sa mga kaibigan nyo?
Ay, napakaganda po ng mga results nung binibigyan ko nung nag-order. Architect, officers, generals, sabi niya, napakaganda raw ng Lamine.
Wow! General, meron kayong isang officer din na binigyan nyo na yung wife niya.
May stroke siya,
Opo.
pagkatapos may cancer pa siya.
Wow.
And naglalakad siya.
Opo.
Nakita ng asawa ko, sabi niya, Ma'am, nagbibilang na lang ako ng araw.
Oh.
I don't know when to leave this world.
Oh.
And then she remembered na, oh ma'am, na ano pala ito, may ini-introduce pala si General Aragon, may tinitake siya.
Opo.
Pwede bang subukan?
Opo.
So kinausap ako ng asawa ko, binigyan ko siya.
Opo.
And papasalamat ako sa Diyos. At in 1 week's time, nag-3-3 siya, nag-mega dose siya, sinasabi niyong as
Opo.
recommended.
Opo.
In 1 week's time, umuwi na sa Iloilo, nagkikikwento na siya.
Wow.
And pinakita sa akin yung x-ray niya, ganito yung laman niya sa loob dito.
Opo.
Nung pinakita ang another x-ray after taking Lamine, maliit na lang.
Wow. Ang advocacy ko po na gusto ko mong i-share sa iyo, katulad ng sabi ko, is let's share this to all the military and touch their lives.
I assure
Samahan
you
niyo ako doon, ha?
to all the viewers here, yung nandyan sa labas, and to all my co-officers and other and my friends, I have experienced a wonderful experience really dito sa Lamine na ito. I encourage you to join this group of Lamininers, and not only join, but take it yourself for you to improve your health. This is the first of its kind in the Philippines, and we thank Susan Barlett for bringing it to the Philippines. We thank God for bringing her into the Philippines. Napakaganda po nito. Maraming matutulungan na may mga sakit.
Okay! Yes! Maraming salamat po, General, for joining me to share your experiences and also for our future war against disease. Salamat po.
Thank you very much din sa pag-imbita mo sa akin.
At na naman po yung ating oras, Susan, Tita Maggie. Andito si Dana, yung ating panauhin for this episode. Hi, Dana.
Hi, Dana.
Hello.
So, mabuhay po kayong lahat and be alive! Be alive!
Be Alive would like to thank the following: